Speak.
Hello.
Naiteek. 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 Naiteek.
Science rules.
Naiteek.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Naiteek. 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 Naiteek.
Did you know that 35% of all electricity in your homes goes to waste?
Naiteek.
Now this is where about 12% of electricity goes, much of which is wasted. 1 in every 5 people make this mistake of turning the lights on when leaving the room. A basic step you can take is by simply doing this.
Naiteek.
But Naiteek, how does wasting electricity harm our environment?
Most electricity comes from fossil fuels. As you might know, digging and burning of fossil fuels isn't really good for our environment, to say the least. And as you can probably guess, most of our electricity is made up by burning fossil fuels.
But Naiteek, why is burning fossil fuels bad?
When burning fossil fuels, a toxic gas CO2, also known as carbon dioxide, is released into the atmosphere.
So how does that affect the planet?
Carbon dioxide traps heat onto our planet. This heat then slowly causes global warming. Our Earth has already heated up by 1.5 degrees Celsius. Now this might not sound like much, but in order for human race to go extinct, we only need to go up by 6 degrees Celsius.
Naiteek.
Did you know your house has vampires? Don't worry, you don't need to look for them. They're right in front of you and they can be easily stopped. Here's one. Now you may be wondering, oh, where's the vampire? This is a vampire, or we call it vampire repellents. Vampire repellents can slowly take up small amounts of energy even when kept plugged in, even when only plugged in. The total amount of energy is summed up to be 20% wasted in your household.
But Naiteek, if they're only plugged in, how could they be consuming energy?
Due to the fact they're still plugged in, energy will still continue to flow through.
Okay, is there anything we can do to stop the consumption?
Yes, there are many ways to decrease the amount of electricity wasted because of vampire plants. A simple solution would be to plug all vampire plants into a power strip so that it is easy to turn them all off whenever you are finished using the appliance.
Naiteek.
So Naiteek, are there any other ways to decrease the amount of wasted electricity in our homes?
Yes, a lot of electricity gets wasted because we don't turn off electronic devices when we're done using them. Many people leave the TVs or computers on when not using them. And if you remember to unplug them, you could save a lot of electricity because about 90% of electricity in your house gets used up on TVs and other electronic devices that people forget to turn off.
Naiteek.
So after you watch this video, please remember to unplug your devices when not using, and remember to turn off your lights. Thank you for your attention, and we hope that you help us save energy to prevent climate change. And see you in the next episode of Naiteek Nye Business Time. Did you know that 35% of a basic step you can take to I compromised it. Why are you still filming? I compromised it. Did you know your house has vampires? Did you know your house has vampires? Don't worry, they can be. They are simply right in front of you. Vampires slowly take up small amounts of energy. And this is one. You might be wondering, well, where's the vampire? Cut. Even when plugged in. Even when only plugged in. The total wasted energy can sum up to 20% of your.
But Naiteek, if they're plugged in, how could they be consuming energy?
Hello.